Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today is 26th March 2021. In this video, we will study Science of Class 7th. Open your textbook, page number 1. We will study unit number 1, that is Human Organ System. Before starting our lecture, let me share this beautiful verse of Surah Al-Ma'idah, in which Allah says, "And eat of what Allah has provided for you is lawful and good, and fear Allah in whom you are believers." First, have a look on Think Back, in which they are asking, from where do humans obtain food? Write these answers on your textbooks, that humans take food by hunting animals and from fruits and vegetables. We are saying also name some systems in the human body. So these are circulatory system, digestive system, nervous system, and respiratory system. In this chapter, basically we will study about the two main systems, which are digestive system and respiratory system. As we know that all living things need energy to perform their activities. So what do you think, from where these living things get this energy? They eat food to get this energy. Humans eat a variety of food, but how do humans get energy from food? Here is the answer given. The food they eat contain complex organic molecules such as carbohydrates, proteins, starch, vitamins, and minerals. Actually, our body cannot get energy directly from these molecules, so they need to be simplified. This is done by the process called digestion. This is the main point which we are going to discuss further. Digestion is basically a process by which complex molecules of food are broken down into simpler ones and are used by the body for energy, growth, and cell repair. Let's study how this process starts. The process of digestion starts with food intake. It involves the following steps. Number 1 is breakdown of complex molecules into smaller ones, uptake of simple molecules into bloodstream, then utilization of these molecules for production of energy or synthesis of materials by the body. Last, removal of undigested food from the body. The processes of digestion in humans occurs in a systematic manner. The system involved in digestion is called the digestive system. Let's study the digestive system. Human digestive system. The digestive system in humans is made up of a long coiled tube that starts from the mouth and ends at the anus. It is 10-meter long tube called alimentary canal. You can underline this word as I have done. This tube is also called digestive tract. The organs that play their role in digestive system are the mouth, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. Other organs that are associated with the system are the liver and pancreas. The digestion of food takes place at three sites in digestive tract, that is mouth, stomach, and small intestine. Here is the diagram of human digestive system, which starts from the mouth. Food enters from the mouth and there are salivary glands which softens the food and pass it to the tube called esophagus. This tube passes this softened food towards the stomach. Then stomach passes the food towards the small intestine, and from small intestine nutrients are absorbed in the blood and the waste material passes towards the large intestine and then it is removed from the anus. This is about our today's lecture. We will continue this in our next class. And stay blessed and Allah Hafiz.